If you use insulin and you have been wondering, can I get life insurance? The answer is absolutely yes. Insulin users get life insurance approved every single day. Let me show you exactly how this works. I want to be straightforward with you. Yes, using insulin is a factor in life insurance evaluation. Insurance companies look at insulin use because it indicates diabetes, and diabetes can increase health risks. But here's what matters. Insulin use does not automatically disqualify you from life insurance. Thousands of insulin users get approved for coverage every single day. You have options. There are carriers that work specifically with diabetic patients. When life insurance companies evaluate someone who uses insulin, they look at several important factors. First, what type of diabetes do you have? Type 1 or type 2? Type 1 is typically diagnosed in childhood and requires insulin from the start. Type 2 is typically diagnosed in adulthood and may develop into requiring insulin over time. Insurance companies view these slightly differently. Second, how long have you had diabetes? Someone diagnosed 20 years ago is different from someone diagnosed recently. Third, how well controlled is your diabetes? This is the most important factor. Are you checking your blood sugar regularly? Are you taking your insulin as prescribed? Are your blood sugar levels stable? Fourth, what is your A1C level? A 1C is a 3-month average of your blood sugar. This is a key number insurance companies look at. Fifth, do you have diabetes-related complications? Do you have kidney disease, eye problems, neuropathy? Sixth, what other health conditions do you have? Do you have high blood pressure, heart disease? 7. Your age and family history matter too. Let me explain a 1C, because this is crucial. A 1C is a measurement of your average blood sugar over the past 3 months. Most insurance companies look for an A1C under 8 as reasonable diabetes control. An A1C under 7 is excellent control. If your A1C is well controlled, insurance companies are much more willing to approve you at better rates. If your A1C is consistently high, it signals your diabetes is not well managed. That affects approval chances, but even with higher A1C, you still have options. The key is whether you are actively trying to manage your diabetes. Let me give you a real example. James is 54 years old. He was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes 12 years ago. For the first 5 years, he managed it with oral medication. 6 years ago, his doctor prescribed insulin because his blood sugar was not controlled with pills alone. James has been on insulin for 6 years now. His A1C is 7.2, which is good control. He checks his blood sugar twice daily. He takes his insulin exactly as prescribed. He has no diabetes-related complications. He has no other serious health conditions. His blood pressure is controlled. When James applied for life insurance, he was approved. He got $300,000 in coverage. His monthly premium is approximately $95. His insulin use did not stop him from getting protection. Here is the difference insurance companies see well-controlled diabetes versus poorly controlled diabetes. If you use insulin and your A1C is under 8, you are managing your diabetes well. Insurance companies like that, they see you are taking responsibility. You get better approval chances. But if you use insulin and your A1C is consistently high, like 9 or 10 or higher, that signals poor control. Insurance companies see that as higher risk. You might still get approved, but your rates will be higher. The key is showing you are doing everything you can to manage your diabetes. If you use insulin, you have coverage options. Term life insurance is available, especially if your diabetes is well controlled. Whole life insurance is available, but typically costs more with diabetes. Guaranteed issue life insurance is an option if you cannot qualify for traditional coverage. Some carriers specialize in diabetic coverage and offer competitive rates. The key is working with an agent who knows which carriers will approve insulin users at the best rates. If you use insulin and you want to know what life insurance options are available for you, call or text me at 956-455-1313. I work with insulin users and diabetic patients every single week. I know which carriers will approve you and what rates you qualify for. Before you go, if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a protection planning video. We post new content every week in English and Spanish. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And please share this video with someone you know who uses insulin. They need to know they can get covered. Your family deserves protection. Let us get you covered.